What's going on, guys? So the Camaro kind of messed up probably 3 days ago before Thanksgiving, because I was supposed to drive my car to a Thanksgiving party, but the new baby right there, been driving her around a lot, but Camaro, as you can see, I got the code reader out. Apparently cylinder 1, 3, and 5 are all misfiring. So I got me some, spark plugs and spark plugs and coil packs. So I'm gonna try to change those out real quick. From what I see, I just disconnect these. Here's one in the back there. Looks like a 10mm bolt. I'll just disconnect that right there. I'll disconnect this, pull that out, and try to get to these real quick. Or just get this out. Let's just pop on. I believe so. Yeah, I mean, pop those off. Looks like there's 2 of them. And let's get started. So I disconnected the evap. I got one. I need to replace it. I don't know what I did with it, to be honest with you. 10mm bolt right here. Take this off. Disconnected the evap. Took that bolt out. Disconnecting the coil pack. I can get to them pretty easy right now. Not too hard. That one might be the easiest. I want to say this one looks like the easiest, but it's in the way. Be careful, these are hard lines. So take this 10mm. You know what's so good about vlogging sometimes? Because if I have to do this again, I can get back on the internet and check it out. But sometimes I forget, because I was working a lot on my Lexuses, and I forget that I do stuff to my Camaro sometimes. So I'm not sure if that whole thing's gonna come out. Yep. Huh, interesting. And let's compare to the ones that we have. So here's the old. I know this isn't the smartest thing to do. I'm on a budget right now. Holiday season. I'm about to start school again. But I got these off Amazon. I mean, they look pretty identical. I wouldn't suggest it. I just need it for a quick fix. I also got the evap sensor as well. Pretty much spot on. I'm holding it the wrong way. Here we go. Spot on. Might as well change all of it at once, you know. Let's get it. So I got her lubed up, ready to drop in. Alright. 1 down, 2 to go. It's gonna be hard to record it because I don't have a stand with me. To take this off, you have to, let me find it. Press this part down and pull it off the hose. I doubt I can get it set up. No, I can't. I'll show you all when it's over. So I got it off. This is how I pulled it off, like this. So what I'm going to do is, so I remember how I pulled it off is exactly like this. Is exactly how I'm going to put it back on. So I grabbed it like this. Like this. I'm just going to connect this into there. So I snapped everything back together, put that 9mm, 10mm bolt back right here, and we'll start her up. Putting the last finishing touches up real quick. All of this was a 10mm bolt on everything I've done. Got her tight. Took everything back in. Yes, I know it's dirty. It's been sitting for the past couple weeks. Well, a week. It is what it is. Everything back on there. Let me grab the keys and we'll start her up. Yeah, it's a nice, nasty day. As you can tell, it's kind of raining. It needs to be done. She's clean if she runs. You know what I'm saying? Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Come on. Oh shit. That was a rough start. Yeah, I need the oil changed. Trunk is open. A little rough. I did fill her up too. That's the bad part. Let's go shut this trunk real quick. Oh God. Oh, it was the hood. I'm a dumbass. I can't tell if that's condensation or anything else. I got a big leaf in my rim. Turn this off. Plug her in. Turn it back on. Ooh, that smell. Make sure everything's connected. Yeah, everything's pretty much connected. EVAC's connected. Only thing we have to do is just drive it down the road and see what's going on. Oh, poor Lexus. She's next. I think she's going to be a harder time to do than anything else. Oh shit, that smells nasty. Safety first, seatbelt on. It was limp mode when I was driving it the other day. Nobody's coming. Put her in drive. I don't know what else to do, guys. Comment below if you got any answers for this problem, because I honestly don't know. So what I tried was to erase the codes, drive it a little bit, and see if a check engine light comes on. If it does, check the codes again, see what they're throwing at me. Nothing yet. No codes, no nothing. But I just only driven it a mile. I would think it would have already popped back up if there was a major issue, but it's only a mile. And I just hit 153,000 miles on this car. Timing belt might need to be done pretty soon. We'll see. I just want, it's one of those things where it's like, yo, give me the code now. Give me the code, and so I know what I need to fix. Because I done changed out the gas cap, the evap just now, and the 3 coil packs on the side that I was having problems on. So let's hope for the best. We'll run down here. I haven't used the remote start in a while, so let's see if it works. Then go from there. As you can see, nothing yet. I'm optimistic, I guess, because I love this car. Like, I don't do enough videos on it, but I love this car a lot. So what I'm gonna do is go to this gas station, pull in, probably grab some drinks real quick, and try to do the remote start. If it doesn't work, that means the here's the code. We'll run to the store real quick. There she is. She came back on. She turned off when I was inside the store. So let's see what's gonna be when we get home. Hey guys, I forgot to record when I got home. The code was P0017. It's pretty much crank position sensor, camshaft position sensor. First thing they said was the oil change. So we saw that it said I needed an oil change. I've been kind of late on it. So that's pretty much what we need to do. Then we'll go from there. Oh, probably won't show me doing the oil change again, because that's the only thing you see me do is oil changes. But I'll do the oil change and we'll go from there. I'll see you then. Don't forget to hit the like button, the follow, smash the bell. You'll see more of my shorts, but I'll do more car videos pretty soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And here's 2 videos for you.